Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your rear surface burner igniter. The reason why you would have to do this is because the burners won't ignite. For this repair, we'll be using a putty knife, a Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of needle nose pliers, and 2 pairs of channel locks. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using for this repair. It's a Whirlpool. Keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same techniques should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So to take our gas line off, I'm going to use 1 pair of channel locks, and I want to hold on to this part right here. And I'm going to use our other pair of channel locks in order to grab the line. And I'm going to twist both of them in opposite directions. That way we're not spinning endlessly while we're trying to loosen it. Now I've got that loose, I can undo it by hand the rest of the way. So the next thing we're going to do is remove the grates from the top of the stove, as well as the burners and the burner caps. And now I have to remove all the burner screws from the stovetop. Now that I've got all the screws off, I'm going to be using a putty knife, sticking it in the side right here. There's going to be a little clip. Push it in on it, and lift up on the stovetop. We're going to find that clip, push in, and lift up. Lift up the back so it goes over the tabs, and then you can remove it just like that. So if you see these red strings right here, those are our surface burner igniters. The surface burner igniter is the piece that sticks up through here along with the cord that goes and it plugs down into the module down here. So first I want to unplug it. I want to take this guard off right here so you can see exactly what it's being plugged into. So we'll just follow the cord down here, and it's this yellow one right here. So all we have to do is pull up on the wire. Now we'll lean our stovetop over, and what I'm going to do is push up the igniter and feed it through our clip. So now you can grab your new OEM replacement surface igniter. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So as you can see here, we've got 3 of these igniters that have the longer cord, 1 with the shorter cord. So you're just going to want to make sure that when you do have to replace the igniter, you're getting the correct one. Because if you get one of these and you buy the shorter one, like we're showing you how to replace right now, it will not work. So what we're going to do is we're going to feed the igniter plug all the way through the clip. Pull out the slack, and push the igniter down until it clips into place. Now we'll plug our new one in where the old one was, and now we can screw the guard back on. So now we're going to set the range top back down, and I'm going to make sure that I get this lip on the back on top of these tabs right here. And once I do that, just make sure it's nice and flush against the back and push it down so it clips in. So now what I'm going to do, because these aren't completely lined up, I'm going to use a pair of needle nose pliers, and I'm going to just grab a small piece wherever I can, line up the holes, and screw it back in. Now that that's all screwed down, I can put our burners and burner caps back into place. So now we're going to reconnect our stove to the gas line. There we go. Now tighten it the rest of the way with our channel locks. There we go. In case your adapter is spinning inside, you might want to get another pair of channel locks just to hold that in place. And then you can tighten it the rest of the way. There we go. And now we can turn our gas back on. And your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.